Good morning, PRüF community. It is Monday, April 26th. We have a short community update for you. The AMA questions will be lumped together into next week's community update and AMA. So anyway, we've been hard at work on building the libraries for the PRüF protocol and incorporating those libraries in the application. So obviously that entails some work, rebuilding the application using the library components, integrating all that stuff, debugging it, making sure everything is working smoothly, and providing all the documentation for the libraries so that developers will have an easy time incorporating this stuff into their own, custom PRüF portals or websites. So we're getting this done, and I think that we'll probably be ready for additional testing starting at the beginning of next week, possibly earlier. We might even have testing over the weekend, but I would say we're shooting for next week. Anyway, so I'm pretty excited about the API and the documentation and those libraries, because that's what's really going to make it possible for people to build on PRüF without having to, be blockchain experts. So this is one of our key products, one of our key features. Very big deal to get this stuff rolled out with good documentation being absolutely critical, and we're making sure that we roll it out with good documentation. As developers, we know there's really nothing more unpleasant to work with than undocumented libraries. So we're making sure that we don't do that to anyone. Anyway, so testing early next week. Big news too, the token split snapshot is going to be on May 7th. So basically, by 12 midnight, May 7th, and that's Atlantic Standard Time, you'll want to make sure that you have anything squared away as far as tokens you want to purchase or prizes that you're winning or anything like that. You want to have that squared away before May 7th. So that's a big deal. I think everybody knows about the token split, but if anybody's not aware, anything before the snapshot on May 7th, any token balance holders, the balance that you hold will be, as of May 7th, will be eligible to be doubled with the token splitter. It's going to be a 2-to-1 split. This has been done to adjust our tokenomics to the rising price point of Ethereum to get that in line in preparation for our IDO. So what you're going to see is that if you're holding tokens in a real address, not an exchange address, it has to be an actual physical address to which you hold the keys. If you hold tokens in that type of address on May 7th, then, or as of the snapshot on May 7th, then you will be eligible for the split with whatever balance that was on May 7th. Now, the token contract is paused right now, so I don't think that anybody has to worry about moving anything around. Basically, as of the snapshot, you'll be able to go in, use the token splitter contract via the web interface. It should be a real simple operation using MetaMask or any similar web-based interface to perform the split. And what will happen is that your balance will be doubled in that address. So after it's been doubled, of course, you can't go back and do it again, and there isn't any other address that will be eligible for the split that doesn't hold tokens already on May 7th. So anyway, that's how that works. Let's see here. Anything else that affects? I can't really think of anything else that affects. The snapshot, like I say, is May 7th. Actually, splitting your tokens can be done, I think, pretty much at any time after we unlock liquidity. I don't think that there's going to be a time limit on that, but I can't promise that at this point, so that's something that we will announce going forward. But it should be a pretty simple operation. Just go into the website and connect using your address in MetaMask or something equivalent, and you'll be able to just click on here, split my tokens. And that's basically how that's going to work. Okay, so that's about it, I think, for today. Like I said, we're working hard on rolling out the API and integrating those libraries into the next version of the application. I've seen you can get sort of a sneak preview of the new application interface on the updated video on the website. If you go to our main website, PRüF.io, there's a video there on the front page that sort of introduces the newer product features with a new generation of interface, and so you can see how that works. I think that you will see that that it's really slick and really cool. I'm really impressed with the interface guys. Super impressed with that, and very happy with their work. Basically, this last week has been a rewrite of that whole application using the PRüF protocol libraries to make sure that we're using the same stuff that we are putting out for other people to use, so that we can make sure that there's no bugs and that everything works as documented. So anyway, that's what we're up to, and I hope you're having a great day. And we always want to say thank you to our community members. We value your input and your presence here, helping to move PRÜF along the road to success and prosperity for everyone. All right, well, have a great day, and we'll see you next week.